How do you write the question presented in a legal memorandum? If you are in law school and wondering how to write the question presented in a legal memorandum, you are in the right spot. This part of the memo is essential because it sets the stage for the entire document. Let's break down how to craft this important section effectively. First, the question presented should be a single sentence. It is usually framed as a direct question, often starting with words like whether or does. This helps indicate what legal issue you are addressing. Aim for a question that is narrow enough to focus on a specific legal issue but broad enough to include relevant facts and law. Next, include 3 key components in your question. You need to mention the relevant law or legal principle, the precise legal issue to be resolved, and the legally significant facts that frame this issue. This ensures that anyone reading your memo understands the context right away. When writing the question, use clear and objective language. Avoid any legal conclusions or arguments in this section. The goal is to make it easy for the reader to grasp exactly what legal question your memorandum will answer. Using a formula can help organize your question. For example, you might phrase it like this: under specific law, does legal issue, when key facts, or whether legal issue applies to facts. These formulas keep your question structured and logical. It is also important that your question can be answered with a simple yes or no. This clarity helps focus the analysis and brief answer sections that follow in the memo. Consistency is key. Use a similar structure for your questions throughout the memorandum. Think about your audience's familiarity with the law and facts when deciding how much detail to include. The question presented should be clear for both the immediate reader and any other attorneys who might refer to the memo later. Lastly, avoid stating any conclusions in your question. It should neutrally present the issue to be analyzed without revealing your opinion. In practice, when drafting your legal memorandum, start by identifying the key legal issue from the facts. Then, use one of the standard question formats to create a single sentence that captures the issue, the law, and the critical facts. This approach will help you produce a well-organized and professional memorandum that meets the expectations of legal writing in both academic and professional settings.